my portfolio there is tourism, so all the issues pertaining to tourism.
Are you?
Give, yeah.
Okay, so you're an important man for us in the area and for tourism.
Yes.
And consequently in the environment, which...
Because one of the issues in the local communities in the rural area, it's when you start to introduce tourism. By the time, like what happened to me,
Yes.
hey, people were just shouting at me. But now they, yeah.
They can see a benefit.
Yeah.
How do they see the benefit?
So a better certain percentage to the community. Like,
So they're getting a percentage.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm very proud of what you're doing for South Africa.
Okay. And the name of the band is Muzi. Muzi in Zulu, in English it's a home.
Oh.
So yeah, it's a home for different species like hippos, crocs and bird species. After 1978, and in Zulu we call it Umkanyagute.
Umkanyagute.
Yes, Kanya means light, good at the distance, because you can easily identify the tree
From far away.
from far away. Yes.
It's a good name, yeah.
Yeah.
Busy on the Muzi Pan River. It's really cool. Recommend it. Let's do it. We should get someone else to do the work.
This thing is edible, eh? This one. Humans and the birds, like African chakana. That's why they move on top of the lily pads, because they are looking for this thing.
Can you eat it?
Yes, when it's a big trout, people used to, when it's a big trout and they don't have food, then they can come to the pan and try to get this thing. Let me show you that it's eatable, but you have to cook. It's like sweet potatoes.
Okay.
At the same time, our local kids can make a game with this thing, because if you break it like this, see, then you make sort of a necklace. So now it's two things. This side, it's a game, and this side I can eat it. At the same time, if I get a long one, like this one, because it's got a hole, it's got a small holes inside, then I can start to suck water from the pan while I'm paddling or what I'm doing. But I can put it inside the water, then I suck it. So there is no need for me to get something to fetch water, because I can use this. Everything is natural.
Welcome to the African bush. Even here in the middle of nowhere, so it's cell phone signal.
Maybe one day when you come